Con. So it's going to be a super exciting day because I'm very excited. And it's been 2 years since I went to Comic Con. It's been a long time because in 2015 I could go to Comic Con, but then because of exams and all this stuff I couldn't. So this year I'm just super excited because there's a lot of fun things going to happen. So let's go. So when we entered with the tickets, we received these. Let's see what it is. This is a poster, I know. So let me just show you all. It's a poster from DC. Obviously, Batman. Who does not love Batman? So there's this one thing, and then there's this comic, I guess. This is a comic book? Yeah. It's called Con. Yeah, so that is one thing. And also, while we were entering, we received a Doritos. Free ka khana. Kisko nahi chahiye. Then I went ahead and there was this called Print Octopus, I guess. printoctopus.com stall. So from there I got 3 shirts because they were just for 1,000 rupees. Buy 3 for 1,000 rupees. So let me just open it and show it. Like these are very fun. So there is this one shirt. It says single, taken or hungry. So there's a tick on hungry, as you can see. So that's like one cool. And this is the Sacred Game store. I love it so much. This one is Kabhi Kabhar Apun Ko Lagta Hai Apun Mujhe Bhagwan. So yeah, that's one nice one. And then this one specifically made for me, Netflix addict. Peace out. I agree. I'm a Netflix addict. So I really loved whatever the stalls were there. The food. I could not get into the food court because there was no time. But yeah, it was a fun day and Comic Con is very much fun. I am not a super fan, so I'm not going to attend for 2 days. So yeah, that's it. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!